Welcome to Denmark, the land of fairy tales, windmills, and world-class happiness. Located in Northern Europe, Denmark is part of Scandinavia. It shares a southern border with Germany and is connected to Sweden via the Øresund Bridge. The country consists of a peninsula, Jutland, and over 400 islands, including Zealand and Funen. Its capital is Copenhagen, a colorful city known for design, bicycles, and waterfront charm. Denmark has around 5.9 million people. The official language is Danish, and the currency is the Danish krone, DKK. Denmark is a constitutional monarchy with a strong democratic tradition. Queen Margrethe II has reigned since 1972, and the Prime Minister leads the government. Denmark is a founding member of NATO, the UN, and the EU, although it has opted out of using the euro. The economy is high income and driven by exports, green energy, pharmaceuticals, agriculture, and shipping. Nature in Denmark is gentle but lovely. You won't find mountains, but instead rolling countryside, sandy beaches, and charming coastlines. Denmark is known for its eco-friendly wind farms and green cities. The Wadensee National Park, a UNESCO site, is rich in birdlife and tidal landscapes. Culturally, Denmark is minimalist, cozy, and deeply rooted in history. Viking heritage is visible in museums and ancient runestones. Most Danes are secular, though the Evangelical Lutheran Church is official. Danish society values equality, trust, and balance, and of course, Hygge, the art of cozy, content living. Famous Danes include author Hans Christian Andersen, philosopher Søren Kierkegaard, and designer Arne Jacobsen. Denmark also ranks as one of the happiest countries in the world. National holidays include Constitution Day and Midsummer Eve, with bonfires and singing on the beach. Fun fact, Denmark is home to the oldest continuously used flag in the world. Food in Denmark is fresh, simple, and delicious. Smørrebrød, open-faced rye sandwiches with elaborate toppings, are a classic. Other dishes include frikadeller, meatballs, pickled herring, and Danish pastries, known as wienerbrød. Coffee is a daily ritual, often enjoyed in candlelit cafés. Sports? Danes love football, cycling, and handball. Denmark has produced world-class cyclists and tennis stars like Caroline Wozniacki. Sailing and windsurfing are popular coastal pastimes. Why visit? Ride a bike through Copenhagen, see the Little Mermaid statue, stroll through medieval towns, or visit Legoland, the original. Denmark offers a peaceful blend of tradition, innovation, and style. Whether you're drawn by the design, the desserts, or the Danish way of life, Denmark is waiting to charm you. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Love our doodles? Enjoy 10% off our digital country bundles on Etsy with code DOODLE10.